Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly Christine and I do all sorts of lifestyle videos here on my channel. I do a lot of cleaning and cooking and all kinds of self-improvement videos. So if you want to see more stuff like this from me in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays. And today we are going to be making another GoodFood box. I get these every once in a while, usually whenever I have a coupon code, and I am not sponsored by them in any way, shape, or form. But today we're going to be making Greek chicken with lemon yogurt sauce and warm Orzo salad with zucchini and sun-dried tomatoes. And let me tell you, it was unbelievably delicious. So the very first thing that I went ahead and did was I started a pot of water on the stove because I'm going to be cooking the Orzo first. And while I'm just waiting for that to go ahead and boil, I am getting the chicken ready. So I just got a medium pan and I put it over medium to high heat, put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use this seasoning packet that they gave me. And I'm going to season the chicken, and then I'm going to start frying that up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the Orzo in to cook and turn that heat down to about medium. And I'm going to flip my chicken. Like I said, I just seasoned it with their seasoning packet as well as some salt and pepper, and just have that going on medium heat. And now I'm going to take the 2 zucchinis that they sent me, and I'm going to be chopping them up and dicing them into small pieces, and just kind of setting that aside for right now. And then in a minute here, you're going to see me thinly slice the sun-dried tomatoes that they sent me. And I'm also going to zest and juice the lemon. And then as you guys can see here, I'm just going ahead and draining my Orzo. It's all done cooking, and I'm just gonna set that aside, put a little bit of olive oil in it just to prevent some sticking, but I'm just gonna set that aside and then get back to my lemon. And if you're wondering why I was rolling my lemon before, that helps it to get like the juices flowing in it. So I always roll it first before I juice it. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the yogurt sauce. So they sent me a little yogurt container here, so I'm just going to take that and I'm going to combine it with as much of the lemon juice as I wanted. So I used quite a bit because I wanted it to be quite lemony. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil and just seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. And that's going to be our sauce. It's going to go over top of everything at the end. And it was really, really delicious. I'll definitely be making this again. Something just very, very simple, but super, super yummy. So now I'm going ahead and removing my chicken. It's all cooked, so I'm just going to be setting that aside. And I'm going to use the same pan to cook the vegetables. So I'm going to put the zucchini in there. It's going to cook in the leftover fat, little that there was from the chicken. And I added a little bit more olive oil and salt and pepper. And then I also seasoned with the remaining spice blend that they had sent me. And then once that's about like halfway cooked, after about 3 or 4 minutes, then you add the sun-dried tomatoes and you cook that just until it starts to get fragrant, about 1 to 2 minutes. And very, very quick and so, so, so delicious. Alright, so now I am going ahead and adding my orzo into my vegetables, and I'm just going to stir that all up. And I think I did add a little bit of salt and pepper here as well. And then we're pretty much done. Now it's just adding everything together. So I'm going to go ahead in a couple of minutes here and spoon this all onto the plates and then add the chicken. I wish that you could smell how amazing it smells in here. I'm going to go ahead and take a quick bite, let you guys know how it is. I have a feeling my son's going to start screaming because he wants his. So I'm going to hurry up, taste this, and let you know how it is. Oh my god, yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It is so good. It's so lemony. It is delicious. Definitely recommend this one. Anyways, you guys, we're going to go have some supper. I hope you are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.